over. Shannon, you can't move your feet.
Hi, this is to all my friends in America. I'd like to say that it's good to speak to the colonials, and I hope you're taking care of the country that we gave you. And I hope you watch over it now and don't make any mistakes. And remember that we gave you the language and the country, so don't step out of line, okay? And remember, I'm a Glaswegian. If you start in, I'll wrap your jaw, alright?
And this is his sweet wife.
I could translate that if you step out of line. What did you say? I'll slap your jaw, which means I'll take my hand to slap your jaw.
Demonstrate on Kara, please.
Oh! So he's just joking.
Right.
No, I'm not.
He's drinking water and we're drinking beer.
Beer. Water. Y'all, number 29. Most popular beer in the Czech. Oh, maybe it is 30. I don't remember.
Yeah, you're 30.
I think this is 30.
Don't get back in one after the other all in the same evening.
No.
It's 30 in one night. What we drink is a mystery, 30 beers in one night. No wonder the churches in the States it's in America. 30 beers in one night. Alright, signing off. This is where we're staying. We just had a Mexican feast. It was fabulous.